wait. Have you also been spending the couple of days thinking about what is the puzzle and how can you decode it? Then hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my brand new vlog. So today in this video we'll find out what is the name of the game which Empress hinted on its latest puzzle. Is it the new Assassin's Creed game FIFA 21 or some other game like Watch Dogs Legions? Today in this video we will decode that encrypted message. So this is boy Sumit Charismatic. Let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that on the process of making so many vlogs, I have decrypted a lot of encrypted information on so many forums. Mostly those encrypted messages were binary codes, and that resulted to me when I decoded that code, I got the release date, and according to that, I used to find out which game is coming and which game is being worked upon. But this time, Empress has given a long sentence. It's a long message. It doesn't have any binary code. So let's decode what Empress is trying to say. Now the puzzle or the sentence which Empress gave consists of bony legs. Now this bony leg character can be found out in Immortals Phoenix Rising because there is a female character in that, plus in Assassin's Creed new game Valhalla. Hopefully I pronounced that properly. I'm trying so hard to pronounce it properly. So in the new Assassin's Creed there's also a female character who might have a bony leg. So that could be about Assassin's Creed Valhalla or Immortals Phoenix Rising, but it talks about bony leg. Now if it is talking about bony stick leg, can it be FIFA 21 because there's a lot of leg involvement in that, and the other sentence says it's not with adults. So could it be FIFA 21? But FIFA 21, the chances of FIFA 21 being worked upon by Empress is very less because so far in this short career of Empress hasn't worked on a sporting game, so that looks very unlikely. But the most chances are of Immortals Phoenix Rising and the new Assassin's Creed game. But what if Empress is working on the new Assassin's Creed game? But on another thought, the new Assassin's Creed game may not be worked upon by Empress because CPY is already working on the new Assassin's Creed game. So it is very unlikely that both this CPY, the scene group, and Empress is also a group in the individual characteristic. But Empress cannot work on the same game which CPY is working. So that also looks very unlikely because if both of them work on the same game, then the scene group scenario will be changing. There would be so much competition because if imagine Empress works upon the new Assassin's Creed game, then definitely it will come in another 1 week or 2 weeks time. But if in the same time CPY is working, CPY tends to take a lot of time, and if in that time period Empress brings out Assassin's Creed game, then that would be a big setback for CPY, who obviously would have spent a lot of hours, a lot of efforts on the new Assassin's Creed game. So at this point of time, Empress working on the new Assassin's Creed game looks very unlikely, but there is a chance of surprises, and so much surprises are already coming in 2021. This could be one of the surprise, but Immortals Phoenix Rising can be a possible game which the Empress, the queen, the person who is challenging everyone could be working upon. But it's a good scenario if the new Assassin's Creed game is also worked upon by her. It doesn't matter because as a gamer we do not care whether it's CPY or is Empress. At the end we want a game very soon. So that's what the possibility we are talking about. FIFA 21 looks very unlikely. The new Assassin's Creed game as well as Immortals Phoenix Rising could be a very possible reality that you should understand. And also a lot of people have been asking me about ET of the new Assassin's Creed game. If Empress is working on Assassin's Creed Valhalla, then the ETA could be very near, and in January you could get the new Assassin's Creed game. So let's see what happens, whether CPU and Empress could work upon the same game. Let's see what happens, who wins, how is the scenario going on. In couple of days, probably by next week, the picture would be much more clearer and you would understand what is happening. So enjoy this ride with me because this ride is going to be very exciting. So hopefully like today's vlog, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. Today let's have a target of 200 likes. Can we have 200 likes on this vlog? It's a challenge. Let's see if it's possible or not. So see you in the video. Bye bye. Take care. Keep supporting. Keep loving. And don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. See you in the video. Bye bye. Take care. Keep loving and always keep gaming.